In this for if you got a 2-roll. I don't know about stock one, haven't had a stock one in years. You just lift this up. See how it comes down? If you leave it down, it's gonna hit the radiator. It ain't gonna allow you to mount the radiator properly. You lift it up. See if you push in, push up, in and up, and then actual your rod still goes on to the wastegate door flapper, so you're good. You gotta get these lines, okay? I went to Advanced Auto Parts. I got this sleeve right here, okay? Because if it wasn't, then you know, stainless steel next to heat, this could be a fire hazard. And I didn't want to push it down too much, then to get a nasty kink. So to prevent a little fire or whatever, I got my sleeve right there. And the same thing for the one in the back. I don't know if you can see it. Same thing. Little kink ain't bad. That's solid right there. Then I zip tie here. I haven't zip tied this one yet because I did have to order another oil feed line. I do have a 90, which is right here. Okay, but look what happens. This line is 23 inches. It doesn't work. So I was went on eBay. I ordered one. I think it was like 27 inches or 30 inches for like $25. So what I do is I put the 90 right here to feed, and it's to come out this way to a L and then come out that way. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna go like this, because this is gonna be right here. This is gonna be just like that. So you wanna put the line right here, swing it, come around, and you're good. What else? In the back, you see that? See that gap right there? It's not hitting. So now, let me see if I can get some light for you guys. Hold on. So now, when I've been bought this flange. The spacer, I've been bought it. Because I had a feeling I was gonna run into some fitment issue. It was only 20 bucks. I was like, you know what? Let me buy it before the turbo comes. Because just in case if I run into any issues, I have a plan B. I don't gotta wait around for a whole week stressing, smoking cigarettes. Like, damn, I can't get my car going because of this shit. You know what I'm saying? So I kind of got ahead of the game. When first I tried putting it on without the spacer, and the housing was actually hitting the you know, you can see the light right there. It was hitting the water pipe in the feed right there. See, I got a nice gap now. I'm solid. It was hitting, so the turbo wasn't going in. Was not going in at all. So I was like, all right, cool. Took it out, put the spacer. Now I got a gap. So now I'm good. So I could take this bolt out if I ever need to take it out because it's leaking or whatever because of the washers. I can put a wrench there. It's cool. But it's solid. It's straight. Wastegate PSI comes with 20 pounds. Stop. So I am looking to push like 32, 35 on a dyno. On the street, 25, 27, chill, you know. And you can see the cooling lines here. So the one in the back, come here, you loop it, boom, right there, nice and fit. This one, I come here, I'll cut this zip tie and make just one zip tie holding both of them so it can look nice and clean. You know what I'm saying? And then this line will go to that fitting right there. So if I loop it right here, I bring the line straight down here, come in, boop, tie right in, and I'm good. So, you know, that's how you get the 25G to work. You are going to have to redo your intercooler piping on the turbo to the intercooler side. I had to do mine because I had a 20G with a J pipe. And the way my 20G was, like I said, I custom built it. My J pipe came, and it was welded right here. To, let's just say this was the 20G. It was welded to the actual, the J pipe was welded to the compressor. Because the 20G J pipe gasket that sits between the J pipe and the compressor housing is known to leak. So I was like, you know what? That's getting welded. And I had it bend this way. So it wasn't your average J pipe that would come from here and go straight down and then come over. Mine came from here, went down, connect to my pipe, right out to the intercooler. So I still have that pipe. So now, since the compressor housing outlet on the turbo is facing down, my pipe is like right here, so it doesn't come this way. So I took it to a shop, so I drew it out on how I want them to do it, so they're gonna go ahead and remodify that. But it's solid. As far as the turbo return line for the oil, push lock hose, dash 10, to the fitting, right here, maybe you guys can see it. You know what I'm saying? Easy as